to raise her hand and speak. I have a great relationship with this college. Reason you already know, that my mother was an alumni of this college, and I have a relationship of a generation with this college. So when I was told that you have to go and give a lecture here, I felt very happy, because coming to this college and talking to all of you is something that I always wanted to do. And I believe that in this session, in this mentoring session, all of you will be benefited from what all experience that I have gained in the service, as a student, what my experiences have been, and especially as a woman. Though there are males also who are sitting here, and I believe they might also like to take home some points that I speak of. But I'm primarily going to focus on the women who are sitting here, who are getting their education in different colleges of this cluster university. So my topic today is mentoring and a structured approach to career. 51% of the PhDs are women in our country. 49% of them are doing MSCs, and they have become postgraduates. What's happening then? Can anybody say? What is the reason that that girls, even after getting educated, are not coming into the workforce? Survey in 2020 says that it is only 20% women who join the labor force. And rural women are leaving jobs much faster. Biggest weakness is lack of self-confidence. They don't believe that they can achieve something. In fact, the biggest weakness, I may tell you, is not to come in leadership positions. We see women, they are coming in so many different fields: doctors, engineers, architects, pilots. But still at the top level, women are not entering into leadership positions. Why? And this is not just in our developing country, but even in developed countries.
Answers to questions which pop up at crossroads of our design of performance acceleration system. The what, why, when and how constantly tire our underlying beliefs and assumptions. Bunch of roses for a woman who was a rose in the college.
कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन एमए रोड में ये एक वुमेन स्टडी सेंटर ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था इवेंट, जिसमें मेंटरिंग ऑफ वुमेन जो है उसको लेके एक प्रोग्राम रखा गया, और उस पूरे सेशन में मेंटरिंग और करियर काउंसलिंग की गई। एंड आई वाज द कीनोट स्पीकर। मैंने जो है एक लेक्चर दिया कि करियर क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं लड़कियों के लिए, यूपीएससी एज अ करियर क्यों लेना चाहिए, और लड़कियां जो हैं वो बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं आईएएस में और यूपीएससी केएस एग्जाम्स में। तो इसको लेकर उनकी एक मेंटरिंग सेशन हुआ, जिसमें हमने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी आंसर किए, और सारे हंड्रेड्स ऑफ गर्ल्स थी डिफरेंट क्लस्टर यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की, जिसमें 5 कॉलेजेस आते हैं, वो सारे यहाँ मौजूद थे। और एक बहुत अच्छा फंक्शन रहा, जहाँ पे हमने बताया कि सिविल सर्विसेज, बाकी और करियर ऑप्शंस क्या हो सकते हैं, और किस तरीके से अपने स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में करियर चार्ट करना है।